F&B coordinator provides administrative support to the food and beverage department, schedules meetings and coordinates communication within the department, manages event booking and communicates with clients, prepares report on food and beverage performance metrics, tracks inventory and coordinates procurement with suppliers, assists with staff scheduling and payroll processing. Executive chef. The executive chef is responsible for managing all kitchen operations, including menu creation and staff supervision. Design innovative menus for restaurant, banquets, and room service, ensures food quality, presentation, and hygiene standards, manage kitchen staff, including sous chef, line cooks, and stewards, monitors food cost and ensure profitability, coordinates with the food and beverage director on menu strategies and promotions.